Now let's take care of the programmatic part of our banner. As you can see behind it, we have an empty activity, a main activity that has nothing in it besides set content view, which is compiled automatically by Android Studio. Let's go to our documentation and grab the relevant code to show a banner. So this is the code. It's right below our XML layout, and it's not a lot of code. I'm gonna copy everything you see right here, and then I'm gonna go through it with you line by line. So let's do it. So I copy this code and I go back to my Android Studio project, and I'm gonna copy it right here under the set content view. So let's declare our banner first. I'm going to go to the documentation again, and I'm going to get this banner declaration, and I'm going to paste it right above my activity right here. Now we're going to import our banner, which you should have available this class if you integrated our SDK. Import class. Now we have the banner available, and let's go on these lines one by one. So our banner variable gets the constructor from our XML layout that we created just a few moments before, and we have the banner set listener, which is not mandatory, but you should implement it because it has a lot of events that are important to you to know what's going on with your banner. And below it we have the banner load. This is basically it. But there are two more events that need to be taken care of. Let's go back to our documentation. And inside our documentation, we need to take into consideration the onPause event and the onResume event. We're going to copy these events right here, and we're going to paste it in our Android Studio project, right below the onCreate event. So these events will allow our banner to react properly when the application is being minimized, which is getting paused, and when it gets maximized again on resume. It's going to unpause and on resume according to the behavior of the application. So this is it basically. This is all you have to do to create a new banner, and we're gonna prove it to you. Let's compile our project. I'm using the Nexus 5 simulator. And if everything goes according to plan, we're going to see the application compiled inside our simulator, and the main activity is going to pop up, and we're going to see a pretty banner on top of our screen. So as you can see, our integration went okay. It's really simple. It's all documented in our docs. So this is it for me. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this tutorial beneficial and helpful. Check out our YouTube channel for more content like this, and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you guys, and see you later.